Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's see the topic for the today's discussion, that is joint entrance examination. We all know that after successful completion of the class 12th, most of the aspirants willing to do the degree in professional way. It means that what? In order to get the professional degree, we should clear one national eligibility test. That is commonly called as joint entrance examination. Let's see the complete view about this particular examination. This examination is useful for the what? Engineering entrance assessment. In order to get the admission in engineering college or the highly reputed institutes, the students need to clear this joint entrance examination. This examination is divided into two portions. First one is JEE Mains, second one JEE Advanced. The admission process for these two examinations will be conducted by Joint Seat Allocation Authority. To get the admission in 23 IITs, Indian Institutes of Technology, 31 NITs, National Institutes of Technology, and 25 IIITs, Indian Institute of Information Technologies, and some of the other government funded technical institutes also. Generally, most of the aspirants have an idea that this particular examination is only useful to get the admission in IITs. It's not like that. Along with the IITs, suppose if a candidate doesn't get the admission in IIT, the candidate may go towards NITs, may go towards IIITs or some other government funded organizations. We know that Joint Seat Allocation Authority is conducting the complete admission process to get the admission in IITs, NITs and IIITs. Here we are having some of the organizations. They are going to identify the rankers to get the admission in these institutes for the technical degrees. What are those? IISERS, Indian Institute of Science Education Research, IIPE, Indian Institute of Petroleum Energy, RGIPT, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Energy, IIST, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, and IISc, Indian Institute of Science. It means that what? The aspirants who didn't get the admission through this particular Joint Seat Allocation Authority in IITs, NITs or IIITs, they may approach these organizations. Why? Because these organizations are allowing the rank holders who have cleared this particular joint entrance examination. Right? We know that joint entrance examination has two portions, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. So let's discuss both the portions in a detailed manner. JEE Mains, the qualification must be 12th standard. The age limit, there is no age limit. The candidate must be having these subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry along with languages. The number of attempts can be made by the aspirant will be 3 years consecutively. If you see the papers, in case of the mains, we are having two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. The paper 1 is mainly for the what? BE and BTech programs. The paper 2 will be B Arc and B Planning. The candidate may opt either of these two papers or they can opt both the papers. If you see the examination pattern, we are going to have 25 questions for each subject. 20 questions will be theory based and 5 will be numerical based. So overall 25 questions for each subject. So this is the what? information about your JEE mains. Let's see the JEE Advanced. The JEE Advanced is formerly known as IIT JEE. We all are very familiar the terminology IIT JEE. Previously we were called it as IIT JEE, but nowadays we are calling it as what? Joint Entrance Examination in two portions. The first one is JEE Mains, the second one is JEE Advanced. So what will be the eligibility criteria for the JEE Advanced? The eligibility criteria is that the rank among 2,50,000 in JEE Mains. It means that what? The aspirant must be having the rank less than 2,50,000. Then only those aspirants are eligible to give this examination, IIT Advanced. It means that what? All the aspirants must be focused on this particular JEE Mains examination. They need to clear this examination and should have the rank less than 2,50,000. Then only their dream can be true. It means that what? They can directly go into IITs. Here also some of the hurdles are there. See this one, if you see the eligibility, here 25 years is the eligibility criteria. For SC, ST or PWE candidates, there is some relaxation, that is up to 5 years. But in the case of JEE Mains, there is no age limit. Here the number of attempts will be 3 years consecutively, but in this case the number of attempts will be what? 2 times in a consecutive. Right? Here one of the important component is that the candidate must pass the examination in the same year or the previous year to give the joint entrance examination. These are the two universities, University of Cambridge and National University of Singapore. These two are allowing the aspirants who cleared this particular JEE examination for the engineering programs. So this is all about your joint entrance examination. In the next video, we will have a brief discussion on how to crack this particular examination for the chemistry aspirants. As I am the expert in chemistry, I can only suggest you to prepare the chemistry in such a way that you can crack the examination.